Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about linked list variants, part of data structures using C++ course. Linked lists can have several variants based on the way they are implemented and the operations they support. Some common variants of linked lists include singly linked list. In this type of linked list, each node has a reference to the next node in the list, but not the previous one. In doubly linked list, each node has a reference to both the next and previous nodes in the list. In circular linked list, the last node points back to the first node, forming a circular structure. In multi-linked list, each node has multiple references to other nodes, forming a complex network-like structure. In stacked linked list, the last element added to the list is the first one to be removed, mimicking the behavior of a stack. In queue-linked list, the first element added to the list is the first one to be removed, mimicking the behavior of a queue. Each variant of linked list has its own use cases and advantages. And the choice of which one to use depends on the specific requirements of the problem being solved. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.